Dear learners, today I'll show you about the branding. In the last class I have shown styles, and in this lesson I'll show you how you can brand your videos. Add logos in intro, scene and outro, and how can you customize these three options. So first, on the left side you have your branding tab, so you can click here. Then you will see three tabs like intro, scene and outro. First I'll discuss about intro. Here you will see the enable intro scene. If you enable it, it will show here. It will be added to your video, and if you disable it, it will be disabled. Here you can see the I button is disabled. I'm going back to intro and I'm enabling it, and here you see you can customize your intro. The next one is intro visual, upload video clip or image. So here you can upload any video clip or image for your intro, which you can show as your intro, or you can import from visuals. So click here and you can write here intro video, intro video, and you can search it here. For example, you can use this one. And now you are back to your branding, and this is how you can choose from visuals. I'm going again, import from visuals. You can use another one. There are so many, and you can choose another one like this. Particles, solar particles. The video which you have selected will be shown here as your till I'm in intro. The third one is intro logo. So you can place your logo here. You can upload any logo which you have for your video, and it will be shown here. So if you cross it, then it will be gone, and you can upload your logo. You can see I'm uploading one. So you can see here I have added the uploaded logo. There are a few options which you can use for your video, like if you want to show it here or here, there are 9 positions you can use. So usually we place the logo on the top right side, and the logo can be made bigger, smaller, and the logo opacity or the transparency you can increase and decrease. This is an excellent feature that you can customize your logo, and you can change the text here. Another day, another story. It's a default intro text. Here you can write like this: welcome to my channel, and you click outside, it will be changed automatically, welcome to my channel. So in this way you can change your intro, and you can add any video here. For example, if I upload a video, for example this one, so you have to cancel this one, and you see when I cancel the one which I imported from visuals, I cancel that one, and the uploaded one is showing here. I'm showing you the preview.
Pro Life Blends Feline Cat Multivitamin, the all-in-one vegetarian supplement for your furry friends' overall health. Our feline multivitamin.
So I'm stopping it, so you can again cancel it here. Import from visuals. I'm going again to see you something, my uploads. So I'm showing you again, you can import logos not only from visuals, you can also import from your uploads. If you have something uploaded previously, then you can add your videos. For example, I'm showing you upload video clip or images, import from visuals. So it will take you to the library like this, and you go to my uploads, and if you have something pre-recorded, then you can add these things. For example, I'm adding this one, so you see it has added as intro. If you don't want the text, For example, this one. If you want to delete it, then it will not show here. So I'm showing you the preview. We added like this, and there is no sound. Changing again for a video with sound from visuals, my uploads, and here I'm showing you preview. So you can see this can be an input. This is how you can import your intro from visuals, from the stocks, and from your my uploads. And you can also import a new video, and you can delete your text if you don't want to show it. And I'm going to outro. It's the same process. If you want to change it, thanks for watching. If you want to keep it, you can keep it, and you can also animate this one, how you want to animate this one. So this is fading, slide down, entry. You can increase or decrease speed, and exit will be the animation exit. So speed can be none, fade out. So you can add this one. So in this way you can change your outro. But remember, if you want to continue to show your logo, you have to change your logo time to time. For example, I'm showing you because I have already uploaded the logo. I'm showing you how you can do this. Your logo here. You can upload your logo. You can place your logo here. So one thing you have to keep in mind, the logo size and the logo opacity you have selected in intro, and you should keep the same logo size and logo opacity in the scene and outro to keep the harmony between these three places, like intro, scene, and outro. Because if you show your logo in intro in one size and outro in a different size, so it doesn't look good. So you have to keep harmony between these three areas of your video. I'm going to scene. Here you can upload logo again. So here you will get the same information of your intro and outro. You have to keep in mind, you have to keep the logo size and logo opacity similar to your intro and outro. And remember, from here you can go to change templates, which I have shown you in previous class. So that's all about branding. Thank you. You can also add watermark of sample here. For example, if you want to write the word sample as a watermark, then you can write in the paint. I'm writing it sample, make it bit larger, 72, and then you can mark it like this with the rectangle, sample, and then crop it. Then you can export it, save as PNG picture. Okay, same desktop, save. You can go to online, Google, remove background. In any website you can go remove.pg and upload the image. Download. I'm uploading sample. Open. So it has been downloaded. Now upload it to Pictory. Upload logo. So this is here. Then I'll place the logo on the center and logo size and logo opacity can be like this. So in each of the scenes, you will see sample, sample, sample. So it took only 5 minutes to do it. So if you think it a bit complicated, then you can place anything in the middle as a sample, such as any logo, any picture. If you need to submit an order to someone, you can do this in this way.